As we grow, we know.
This is iHomeEducate. As we grow, we know. So today we're going to get into how to empty your dryer. You know, the washing machine, the dryer. First and foremost, if you find yourself having a leak like this, don't get alarmed, don't get too scared. You've just got an overflow of water inside your dry machine. So the first thing you're going to do here is pull a towel over here and make sure you just want to stop any extra leakage, especially if you've got kids or animals. You're going to put a nice dirty towel or a rag to stop the leakage. Okay, also you can even walk on it. Now we're going to go ahead and open up our dryer. That's the washing machine running stuff. So here we're going to have to open up the dryer machine, and for all you don't know, this is where we're going to open up here, the compartment here, and in here you're going to find a whole tray of water that's got saturated from the clothes. It just evaporated all into there, and this is what we have to empty out. So you go ahead and open it like this. Okay, I'm going to try and keep a steady hand. Okay. See, it's already leaking. See it there? See it there, guys? You see it there? That shows you it's so open. Now you can empty it all out like that. See? Right. Look how much water is coming out. That's where you have that overflow. The machine isn't broken. You just need to look how much water is coming out, guys. That's how much water you need to exit from your machine if you have a dry machine. It's very heavy. Okay, so you may need assistance if you're older, or you got a bad shoulder, like a frozen shoulder, or a cuff rotor injury. You may need to have assistance empty out. But that's how much water is still coming out of this. Okay, excellent. So that's emptied now. Now we'll go ahead. Sorry about the angle, folks, but as you see, I'm trying to demonstrate this to you at the same time. It's quite difficult, it's so heavy. Okie dokie, I'm going to put it back inside now. So now you can slide it back in, like that. As you see, I've emptied it out. Before it was leaking, remember? It was all dripping out of here and leaking. Just wipe this up if you want to. But you slide it back in. Okay, machine here. And you're good to go now. And what we'll do is we'll just clean up the mess. So just wipe it up, clean the mess. So as you know, you don't want any accidents with any kids, or you don't want to slip on anything. Always clean up after yourself, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So just leave a comment. If you want any more advice I can give you, just leave a comment. A like or thumbs up, whatever. If you need any more assistance, I'll try my best to assist you. And as I said, look here, if you look here, up here, so right out here your machine's not leaking, that's just the drips. And the best thing to do is always dry up, so if there was any more leaks, you'll be able to see where it's coming from. So always make sure you dry up after yourself. Okay, that's important, especially working with water. You need to know the source of where any leaks are coming from. So it's very important to dry up afterwards. Okay? Okay, guys.
iHomeEducate. As we grow, we know.